Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use live server to live preview your website while you are building. So oftentimes when we are working with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and back in the day we would open the source file and do some changes on the code, source code, and then hit refresh to see the changes, but those times are gone now. Now we can have some live server running that will auto reload the changes whenever we do the make some changes. So there's an extension I want to show you. So let's go to extensions, click on and search for live server. Let's click on live server. This is the extension. Click on install. Okay, live server has been installed. Let's go to our files. This is my index.html file, and over here you can see that I have a button called go live. So just click on that HTML and click on go live. It will start a server and it will run the server on your local host, port 5501. Okay, sure. So now I like to split the window like this way. Now if I go to my style CSS, let's say I make a change over here and hit on save, it will automatically render the output. So let's say I change my hello world to hello YouTube, and now it's reflecting the changes automatically, and it's very helpful um, development tool, and you should definitely give it a try. It's called live server and it can live preview your HTML, CSS and JavaScript, like basic things. So I hope this quick video has helped you. Do let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.